done, Scotty?
We got stickers.
That's the most important thing.
And we got numbers to label our shaft. I mean, our wires.
Nice.
So that we know what's going on.
Yeah.
And we upgraded.
Yep.
We went from 8 to 8.8.
Which crappy Excel HEI cap thing that used to run in the 80s.
Yeah.
It's going bye-bye.
We're doing MSD, baby.
Oh,
Yeah.
MSD.
We got the good stuff.
The whole deal. Nope.
Ooh, eBay. What did Scotty buy now? Taking guesses. If you think you know what I bought now, leave me a message. If you're correct, I'll buy you one. Legitimately. If you're correct, I'll buy you one. And I will show you the proof.
I don't know how many people want butt plugs, dude.
Hey, butt plugs are all fine and dandy until somebody farts and shoots the cat.
God damn it. I didn't even cut it. It was that fun. Oh, God. Anyway.
So.
You're bad.
We're going to do an unboxing.
Is this like a disrobing?
Ooh, wait. We should have sexy music playing in the background. Alex, tell him what he's won. What is it? The only fly in the world that likes me. I could be in the middle of a friggin' mosquito pond. Mosquitoes don't bother me. Okay, I know I'm getting old, but this is ridiculous.
That box is in there. Oh my God, Sky. The fly's bothering me now. Oh, there. Turn it over. Other way. This comes out.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. It's okay, you'll figure it out.
Ooh, it's pretty. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we're doing a complete.
It's got the module.
Nice. Yeah. What do we get? What else? What else? Wires and screws. Oh my.
More stickers.
Ooh, MSD black. Well, my anaconda don't.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, so it's got the coil's already in the cap.
Yep.
It's got the nice rotor, the module, the nice ignition module. I've actually run that same one. That one's very nice. And you can program it. And you can program the rev limiter as well.
Work with me, Johnny. You'll get there.
Limiter.
You'll get there.
Rev limiter. But there it is. All the goodies. Oh, project.
And grounds.
Mm-hmm. Nice stuff.
Power. Sorry, now I'm starting to sound like Jeremy Clarkson.
I love Jeremy Clarkson.
Oh, so do I. And for those of you that are interested, no, we don't get paid anything in any way, shape, or form for doing it. Check out the smallest cog. Richard Hammond's new shop. Well, not really new, but he's got a restoration shop for cars. And they also deal with what's called Swallows Racing for the Jaguars, which Scotty's going to be ordering parts for them to turn my 2001 XJ VDP into a 5-speed standard.
Oh, yes.
With the proper modifications from them, and 95% is just you change this, you change that. I'll be looking at 475 horsepower at the rear wheel in an 01 VDP.
Very nice.
Yes.
Back to our MSD.
Okay, back to MSD. So we're going to start doing the disassemble and plug-in. Get everything done that we can for nickel and dime. I need a break from the wiring harness.
Yes,
and what am I going to do? Jump into wiring.
More electrical. No way.
Say it ain't so.
Say it ain't so.
So we'll get this done. Start doing the disassemble.
Yeah.
And make everything pretty.
I'd say mark your wires here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well, and just remember where they go on there.
Well, we have radiator cap.
Yeah, so we know what we got, but at the same time, mark it on that cap.
Oh, yeah.
With a Sharpie, and then we'll just try to do them while we do them. All right, you got it. He's on it. Ready, break.